Welcome to Capital Outdoors. Today we're doing some backwater fishing on the Illinois River. Today we were supposed to be going scouting along the Illinois River for some good duck hunting spots when we came across a good spot for fishing as well. This week's tip is to always keep some rods in the car, because you never know when you're traveling to come across a good fishing spot. I see some gar swimming in the river. I've never caught a gar before. I'm going to use my normal grub jig that I have and my ultralight rod, so this is going to be fun. I had a bite there. Got one. Oh! And he let go of it.
This is what we're after today, these gar. They fight good, and they're good eating too. So, we can see them kind of on top of the water. I'm just using this little grub thing here, and just letting it sink real slow. And you know what, so far it's doing pretty good. So let's see if we can't get one on this cast here. Now they're just about everywhere, oh, that's a bad cast, but... Film this, film it. You hit it. Fish on. Did you see that? I actually saw him hit it. Come here, Reagan, heel. Oop. Hey, you know what? It's cool with me. I get to go and catch another one here. So after being here for a little bit and catching a few, we have realized what they like. They like stuff close to the surface. So let's see, there's a group over here. Let's see if we can't get one over this way. And then we just kind of bring this grub in. You know, we don't let it sink. And, oh, one had it in his mouth because I can see, watch the line here. Nope, he let go of it. One had it. Oh, and we got a school coming right in front of us here. Right off this rock. To all you new anglers out there, you know, when you have an ultralight rod, let the rod do the work. we're getting hits on every single cast, so we decided to kind of slow it down and just enjoy the fun. So I'm using Heather's rod, and we got that surface lure grub, and I just cast this out, and there's one. I mean, you can see it on the water there. He is big. So let's see if we can't catch him. I'm gonna let this sink for a second, and then that way we'll let that guy just coast. Okay, he's looking at it. I got a couple who are looking at it now. Nope. Got one right up in here. Alright, nothing on that cast. There's a big school of them right way back there. Did you see that? That was so cool. He came up, eating something else off the surface. I put that lure right in front of him. He sucked it in just like a pike.
If you would like to learn more about gar fishing or just fishing along the Illinois River, go to our helpful links page at www.capital-outdoors.com. Thanks for all your support.
We started today out just wanting to do some scouting for duck hunting season, and we came across these this backwater of the Illinois here, and we just want to say thank you for joining us today on Capital Outdoors. And you know, when you're out there, good luck and stay safe.